Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all members? Hope you'll be doing well. I'm Khazar Bakhtiar, your admin, and today in this video, I'll be telling you about signals. That what are signals, how many types of signal there are, and what should be your entry, your exit, your booking profit, and your strategies. Everything will be discussed in this video. So let's get straight into the video. This video was made first in Urdu, but this is now the English version. There will be so many types of signal that will be given by Team Mac, but amongst them there are three main categories. Number one, spot; number two, futures; and number three, altcoins. We also give airdrops and forex signals, but that are apart from it. The main categories, three categories, are spot, futures, and altcoins. You know all about spot trading, that how to make profit from spot. That is totally different topic. I'll be talking only about signals, that how to pick up them, how to exit from them. So, and you also know about the future and altcoin will be discussed in later videos. So I'll start with the spot, that what should be a member strategy who is trading in spot. Fine. There are two main categories of spot trading. Like if a person is in spot, so there are two main categories. One is an investor and other is trader. Fine. What is investing? I've defined it. When you buy a coin or token for some specific interval of time, for a long or short or mid term, that's called investment in crypto coin. You bought a coin like ADA for 6 months, and you bought $1,000 of ADA. So you bought it for a very long time. It's called investing in ADA coin. ADA is a crypto coin, so it is called investing in crypto. And if you bought it in spot, it is called investing in spot. There are different types of investing. One is short term, the other is short mid term, mid long term, and long term. The intervals are randomly mentioned here in front of them. You can check it there. There are strategies. What should be the strategies of an investor who want to invest in a coin in spot? So the strategy should be: number one, investors should focus on fundamental analysis instead of technical analysis. If you are an investor and you want to invest in a coin, so you should know very much about the fundamental analysis, and you should focus on fundamental analysis more than technical ones. Why? Because you want to invest in a coin for very long term, and that coin should have the potential to grow and give you maximum profit in upcoming time. Fine. So this is very necessary, that you should learn fundamental analysis and focus on your fundamental analysis instead of technical ones. Fine. I and Salman will help you learn fundamentals. Me and Salman, which is the other moderator, will help you to learn fundamental analysis. Explanation. In explanation, I have said that as an investor has to invest for a long term. I, as an investor, want to buy a coin, so I will invest for a very long term. So charts shouldn't matter for an investor, rather the project and potential of a coin or token matters to an investor. Fine. Number two, strategy number two should be: value averaging is recommended. Value averaging is recommended to those who want to invest in a coin. What is value averaging? Now, the question arises in the mind. So, value averaging is sometimes confused with dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is totally a different term, and value averaging is even better than dollar cost averaging. What is value averaging? Value averaging is a technique of buying a coin with minimizing your purchasing price in order to gain more profit. For example, if I want to buy ADA coin, I'll give you example of ADA all through the video. It will be easy for you to understand then. So for example, I want to invest in a coin ADA, and I want to invest thousands of my dollars in ADA. So what I do, I buy ADA when its price is $1.30, and I know, I just look at the chart, and I just got the idea that it may face some dump. So what I do, I only invest $200, not more than that. And when the ADA price drops, it drops to $1.15 or 10 cents, I then again buy the coin in dump, $500 for example. And then if the ADA more drops, and I know I have fundamentally analyzed this coin that it has the potential to grow, so what I do, I like confirm I like buy that coin without any hesitation, without any worries, as I know about the project and I know about the potential of the coin. So I buy the coin on every drop, and it's dumping, I'm buying, it's dumping, I'm buying. It is called value averaging. You add on to that coin while that coin is dropping. So I've put some explanation here too. Value averaging is a technique of buying a coin with minimizing your purchasing price gradually in order to gain more profit. So it is a technique that maximize your profit. If you have bought ADA all on $1.30 price, so it won't give you more profit. But if you value average your purchasing, you will get more profit. I've given you example. If DMAC have given you a coin for long term or mid term investment, I'll take ADA as an example, and you decided to lock thousands of your USDT in that coin. So, what should be your buying strategy? For ADA, if the market price is $1.30 and you want to add $1,000 in it, you should buy $100 on market price if the ADA is in red. First thing. The second, then analyze the chart. You look into the chart, you look the candles, you look the indicators, and you see that, and you find that ADA has chances to drop. So what if there are chances of drop or retraces? Wait for further adding. You wait for further dump and drops, and then you add on each drop. Then when the ADA drops to $1.20, you add $200 more. And same goes on. ADA drops to $1.10, you add $200 more. ADA fortunately drops more to $1, you keep on adding and adding. And in this way, your buying price no more remains $1.30, but it would have minimized up to $1.10 or so. Are you getting it? So now if the market price gets stable, if the market gets stable, BTC starts rising and the market goes on stability, the ADA will also rise. And if the ADA cross $1.10, your average price is now, your average purchasing is now $1.10. So when the market starts rising, the ADS will start rising too, and you will be in profit from if the ADA price rises from $1.10. And when the price of ADA rises to $1.30, the price where you have bought the ADA for the very first time, you will be in massive profit. So this is a technique called value averaging, and it is very recommended for an investor in spot. And I've given you a note. Remember, fundamental analysis of a coin for investing is must. You should learn fundamental analysis, and you should stay focused on and fundamental analysis if you want to invest in a coin. Why? Because fundamental analysis is the base of investing in a coin. You know the project, you know the event, you know the team, you know the potential of the coin, then you invest, because you are investing huge amount in a coin for a very long term. So that coin should be able to grow and have the potential to show some growth and profit. Fine. This was entering strategy for an investor. What should be the exit strategy? So now I'll discuss this exiting strategy, that what should be the exit strategy for investor in the spot. So the exit strategy should be putting ladder sell orders. Fine. Now what is ladder sell orders? The question rises again in the mind. So let's suppose your average buy of ADA is $1 and you want to invest in it for 3 months. Then you should forget about it for 2.5 months, and in the last 15 days you just check on the ADA price again. It's not that you do not check your wallet. You can check your wallet, But it's like recommended that if for example you have invested in a coin for 1 year, you forget about it for 10 months, and near the year is ending, you just keep on checking the price of the coin and how much are you in profit and all that. Fine. So and then in last 15 days you judge the price of ADA. It's now $2.15. So you are in massive profit. You have bought, your average buying was $1, and it's now more than 2x in 3 months. So what you do, you do not exit on $2.50 all in once, but there is a strategy called ladder orders, and we put that ladder selling orders and we book our profit in parts. Fine. So what you do, you do not exit on $2.50, as 15 days are still left. You see the chart this time and check if it has to grow more or not. If it has to grow, and if it has to go more high, you put orders, ladder orders, as $2.60, $2.70, $2.80, and $3. It was just for example, for sake of example, you can do it as you want, but I'm just giving you example of ADA. And you also put percentage for each selling: 10%, 20%, 30%, and so on. This method is called ladder orders. Also, you put stop limit below the current price but in profit. For example, the ADA price rose, fine, and you are in profit, but there are chances of market dump. So you for you to save your profit from the market dump, and to quit in profit if the market crashes, so what you do, you put stop limit below the profits. For example, if the current price of ADA is $2.50, you put the sell limit, stop limit for selling in profits below the price: $2.20, $2.10, $2. If the market starts crashing, starts dumping, you will be in profit. You will also quit in profit. So that's another technique that you book your profits. The market will start crashing, but you will be in profit. Okay. There you go, investors. Follow these steps and enjoy maximum gains from the market. You'll earn even in manipulated market if you follow these steps. Tips: investor should plan first. It is a tip to all of the investor that they should plan first before investing. For how long are they investing in a particular coin, and what should be their exiting strategy, what should be their buying strategy. All these things should be planned before investing in a coin. Number two, trading. Trading will be discussed in another video because this video has uh, gone too lengthy. See ya. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.